Alright, so I'm going to show you how to remove a valve on a Flathead Ford from 1952. This kind of valve extends through many years, but as far as I know, there's two styles. There's one where in the earlier model, this actually had a mushroom on this end, and it had a split replaceable valve guide. This was actually cut in half, and they put it together and slid it into the valve there, and it stayed together, and I thought that was a pretty unique idea they had. But in the later models, they had what is most commonly seen today, and this solid valve guide. Basically, you'll need a pry bar, a hammer, and a socket. You might need pliers, but so far I've had luck with just using my fingers. So, to start, pry up on the lower retainer, which holds the keys in there. And not all of them are going to be easy, but in my case, I'm replacing the valves, so it doesn't matter. There we go. There's the valve. Next thing is hammer down your valve guide, just like this. Okay, there's the clip, just like that. Now you can continue to hammer it through, or you can pop it straight up. We'll see if we can get it to pop up. Nope, no luck. So the easiest way to get it out is to pull the spring out. And it's going to give you some trouble, but makes this a lot easier. There's your two clips. There we go. A little bit of trouble, but it wasn't that bad since it's seized in there. So now I'm gonna continue to hammer it the rest of the way through. There it is. There's your valve guide. But that's basically how you get it out. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, it doesn't require much strength, but pretty easy. So, good luck.